Hello, and welcome to a Halloween edition of Greg's Snacks! And today, I got some Pirate's Booty. We're gonna try some Pirate's Booty popcorn. I haven't had this brand before, but I've heard great things. So let's see if a pirate's got what it takes to make this hot pepper enjoy the popcorn. Got aged white cheddar and cheddar blast. So I'm gonna go for some age first. Wow. Well, apparently it's not popcorn, it's rice and corn pops. And it's really dry. But the cheddar's good. Well, let's see if the cheddar blast has what it takes for the pepper. Ooh, that's very cheesy and very, very good. Well, as far as pirates go, I guess it's a pretty good snack. This pepper is pretty happy with this product right here. And thank you for joining me on this Halloween edition of Greg's Snacks! If you feel like it, click the like button. If you hated this video, that's fine. If you want me to try other snacks, put it in the comments. See you later.